So we're doing a lot of things to help them, and we are a very financially solid company. That means that we have possibilities. We're not bound by limitations that other ship owners have. So we have some very close and constructive dialogue with customers in terms of what can we do to load more cargo, what can we do to reduce the fuel consumption. So we're looking at or continuing to elevate our lashing bridges. We are strengthening our hatch covers. We are exchanging lashing material to more modern and efficient equipment. We are exchanging bulbous bows to make sure that they are the latest. Even though some of them are quite new, we are still putting on the latest generations on bows. We are putting on high quality paints. It's costing us extra money, but it's saving our customers a lot on their expenses. So these are some of the things that we are working on together with the charters to tailor-make the things that makes most value for the customer on that specific ship. And some of our competitors, they can't, in this environment, they can't do that. So that's a good position for us to be in right now.